How to fix the email you provided is not supported in Chatgpt in 2023. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now, once you open your browser, on the search box right here, type chat.openai.com and then tap on enter. Once the Chatgpt website loads up, tap on login right here. It will take you to this page, and this is where you'll probably find that problem. Now, make sure you don't use any other method than Google account, because any other method can be problematic and will show you that problem that you are facing right now. So use your Google account by tapping right here and then choosing the Google account that you want. After that, you can access Chatgpt completely, just like that. In seconds, you can tap in the search box or the text box at the bottom and contact Chatgpt just like that. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment if it was, and also subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.